Hey guys, Mr. Chaplin here. Many have been asking about the configuration I used in order to use the keyboard and the mouse option. Alright, so let them explain this right. Easy mouse I use it. Now you need a mouse with this ruly thing in the middle and some extra buttons. Without it, it would not work. I have two buttons on the side of this mouse. So let me see. See, shift and left and right. This here, our rule and up is a triangle. It's my triangle because I had to switch through the weapons itself. And the buttons here, as you can see, I have space here. I have others too, but the pads come up, right? So left and right, left and right. The cursor the mouse. I roll up is a triangle. And you know, if I had to fire, I had a square. This this left click here is the shoot button, and the O is the side here because you need these two here. And this the right click is to look up, right? So looking up, space bar is looking down. I'll explain the hand coordinations of it just now, right? So let me see here. Other buttons I use B for X, using N for start and select. So it's N for start and M for select. So just give me a minute. Right. So next. So I have this hand coordination here. So between G and D, right? So it's pretty much left. So it's pretty much these two here, right? And the upwards, you had to look upwards. It's a next option. So next option. So you really need to get back. So looking downwards. So it's pretty much up and down. Up and down is R and F. And I also use these two here for the excuse me. Right, so let me explain again. Left and right. So you're left and you're right. Remember how to how to well you know. Alright, so let me see. Let me escape. Place this just for a second. Now first of all you gotta make sure the mouse is plugged in. The control section. Go to just to the control mapping. Yeah, I have a lot of buttons in case of an escape. I have all these buttons. Mouse button 2. You will have to follow my lead. Just choose which customization suits you. Ready, mouse. Right. Analog up, analog down, analog left and right. Ignore the analog delimiter section. Right. Moving on. Now I'll explain why I have spacebar as the down in a few minutes, right? So let's go to garage and test this. We go to VR cockpit, then we go to the sentry test. We'll go with just a one by one, but I recommend the AC test. So I'm gonna show you. This is a free movement.
Main system engaging test mode.
Now I want to watch this, right? Now this is. See how I move over my cursor? And just to switch, just to roll up, switching weapons, and then left click and the side button, side of the weapon. Now I'll explain looking up, right? This is looking up, spacebar looking down. And I have a special pattern here in case you want to correct yourself. So going down, just press between E and space and you're back to it again. Right? So let me explain this. You have the E's, you have G, you have D. Sorry about that, the camera. Alright, so you have forward is R and downward is F. Right? Now hand configuration here, right? Let me just show you something. My thumb is on the space board. My other finger is on B. And D. Oh, sorry, I recently changed it. Right, so between B and D, I've got the configuration on my fingers. So I have this. I'm not using the mouse as yet. Forward, down, I need B, pressing B because B is the boost button, of course. Right, going backwards, the camera lotion, down, and just to correct itself. Just the right click, I go up and just to correct itself. Now I will show you a full battle.